Alright, so today let's talk about YouTube, but more specifically, the perfect YouTube strategy for real estate agents. I'm super excited that a lot of you are jumping on the YouTube train because it is a mighty powerful one that you can't avoid. If you don't have YouTube as part of your marketing for 2021, I'm going to ask you to reconsider that because it's a huge opportunity for you regardless of how you want to use it. Right now, since we're talking about real estate agents, we're talking about getting buyer leads and seller leads, but beyond that, there's some additional revenue opportunities for you that are gonna really benefit you in the long run. So with that being said, let's talk about the perfect YouTube strategy that's gonna get you more views, more engagement, more subscribers, but more importantly, it's gonna get you more business. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Okay, so first let's start with a little bit of context because some of you may not be sold on YouTube just quite yet. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you need to be working on YouTube as part of your strategy for the upcoming year. So first, it's an absolutely free platform. You don't have to pay a dime to upload your videos onto YouTube. You can upload 1 video a month, 1 video a year, 1 video an hour. It doesn't matter. It's absolutely free. So you have no bandwidth issues. That is phenomenal. And then 2, it's a one and done model. So you make a video once, you upload it to YouTube, and you're done. Then you wait for the video to start getting views and you start getting business from that video. So you don't have to touch it again. It's not like cold calling. It's not like door knocking where you actively have to pick up the phone and make the call or go out and knock on that door. It's not like that because with those are active strategies of lead generation that if you don't pick up the phone or you don't drive out to the neighborhood to do the door knocking, then you're not getting leads. On the contrary, with YouTube, as soon as you upload it, you can go and do something else. You can make another video if you want, or you can go and work on some active ways of generating leads. So the benefit is that it's passive in that sense. It's a one and done model. And then 3, you have a huge, massive audience here on YouTube. On YouTube, you have over 2 billion monthly users. That is 2 billion with a B, that people using YouTube every single month. Now, if you compare that to, let's just say, a platform like Instagram, Instagram has 1 billion active monthly users. So we're talking about twice the size of Instagram. That is huge. So YouTube is the sleeping giant that you can't avoid any longer. So if you were looking for benefits or if you were looking for the reasons of why I made this video in the first place or why we need to focus on YouTube, that right there, I hope that pushed you over the edge to actually get started with the strategy. So jumping right into the strategy, first, you need to create your YouTube channel. It's not that difficult. If you watch videos on YouTube, chances are you probably already have your account on YouTube. All you have to do is create a channel. So if you go to the top right of YouTube, it's gonna tell you, hey, create a channel here or create an account, and you're off to the races. You can create a channel within seconds. You don't need to take a long time to create this. You can start implementing this strategy today. Super important, very, very, very important. Before you go off and create that channel, you're gonna be asked, do you want to create a brand account? So a brand channel. You absolutely want to say yes. You want to create a brand account or a brand channel because it gives you so much flexibility as your channel grows. I myself made the mistake of not selecting a brand account from the start. So actually today, the day of this recording, I did the final switch of going from a personal account to a brand account because I absolutely needed to do it. I was just delaying it because there's some things that don't transfer over when you go from a personal account to a brand account. So I was just delaying, dragging my feet. So from the start, create a brand account. Trust me, thank me later, but absolutely do the brand account. You're gonna have other people, you're gonna be able to invite other people to manage your channel as you grow. So you're gonna have other people that will dig in there and help you with titles, dig in there and help with descriptions, dig in there and handle comments. So as your channel grows, you're gonna be able to pass off the admin stuff over to somebody else without giving your personal login to that other person. So the second step is you want to make talking head videos. Talking head videos are what you're seeing right here. I'm just a talking head. You're not seeing me out on location. You're not seeing an animation. You're not seeing anything else. You're just seeing me talking into the camera. Starting out, you want to build your confidence. You want to build momentum. You want to basically get a video done. And the easiest way to do that is to have a talking head video. So you don't want to worry about lighting out there in the wild, out there in homes, out there in front of people that are driving by. You don't want that pressure. Trust me, that gets a little bit, after having done over 600 videos, that still terrifies me. So I don't do too many on location videos. So to get started, start with the talking head video and start from here because it is so much easier. If you want an even easier entry point, which talking right into the camera is as easy as it gets, and all you have to do is record it, upload it to your editing software. You can do the free software that comes with your PC or your Mac, or you can buy the pro versions like Final Cut Pro if you're on a Mac, or Premiere if you're on a PC. That's easy enough. But if you want an even simpler strategy or a simpler way to create videos without you having to edit anything, you can sign up for the service called invideo.io. So it should be flashing across the screen right here. invideo.io is a fantastic tool that already has the templates. It already has audio, so it already has the music. It's you're able to use it. It's already licensed by you signing up with InVideo. You have stock images already in there. You have stock video already in there, and you have all of the templates that you could possibly need, so you can create a YouTube video very, very quickly. So you can do just some small short clips, talk about what you want to talk about, throw them into InVideo, and boom, you have a working video super, super quick without needing to learn how to edit. It is super easy. You can get a video done within less than 30 minutes, and that's giving you time to actually figure out how InVideo works. So that's a fantastic tool for you to get started with. But one of the questions that's going to come up, so as we get into the third step, so first, remember, create your YouTube channel. 2, start working on talking head videos so you build momentum, you build the reps. And then 3, the question that comes up is, well, what do I record? What content do I need to work on? To start off, you want to start off with what I call workflow videos. Workflow videos are videos that you can use in your workflow today. These are videos that you can integrate into your processes so you can share them out to your clients. So what you want to do is map out the entire real estate transaction from a seller standpoint and a buyer standpoint, whoever you work with the most, and then break up the transaction into segments. So what to do when you're under contract, what to do 10 days before you close on a home, what to do after you have sold your home. Those types of topics you're going to record, and then you're going to send them out to the people that are your clients. So you're going to send them out to your clients. That way they get immediate use. So the videos that you produce, you're building the muscle memory, you're building the reps. So you're having the reps of actually getting the practice of getting these videos out, and you have a ready built audience in your clients, with your clients, where you send them the videos so they watch them. But you also want to post them on YouTube and make them public to the world so the audience can see it, so the public can see it. So not only are you going to get views from the general public that have no idea that you exist, and then also from your clients. In this way, with these workflow videos, you are killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You are improving your customer service with your clients, but you're also working on your YouTube marketing, so your YouTube strategy. Workflow videos are fantastic. If you want the entire list of workflow videos that I give to the folks that I work with, not only on my EXP team, but with the agents that I do consulting with, then email me at Jaime@JaimeResendiz.com, and I'll send you all of the workflow video titles so you can get to work on them. Again, that's the easiest piece of content that you can ever create, because it's content around something that you already are familiar with. You already know what the home buying process is like. You already know what the home selling process is like, or at least I hope. I hope that you already know that, but I'm sure that if you're watching this, you're already on your way, so that's not a big concern. So again, create your channel, and then do talking head videos, do workflow videos, and then number 4, Stay consistent. I know this sounds like a little, oh, okay, well, everyone's gonna say that. Well, there's a reason that so many people say that. Staying consistent is vital for your channel's growth. If you want to commit to doing one video per month, then make sure that one video per month happens. If you're committed to one video per week, make sure that that one video happens. If you're committed to one video per day like I am, so for all 2020, if you go through this channel, you're gonna see one video every single day. So, and actually on some days, on my podcast days, you're actually gonna see 2 videos on the channel. So there you go, bonus. But anyway, so whatever schedule that you decide to stay on or commit to it. Right now, what I tell my students, what I tell the agents that I work with, that one video per week is minimum. That is the minimum that you need to be working on with YouTube. And ideally, I want all of the agents that I work with and all of you to do 2 videos per week. So as a reminder, minimum 1 video per week. That's gonna put you on pace. 2 videos per week, that's gonna put you in front of the pack. There's a land grab right now. If you didn't know that there was a huge land grab on YouTube, well now you do. This is a California gold rush, but on YouTube. On YouTube right now for your industry, the real estate industry, so you realtors, you real estate agents, right now it's wide open. You have the opportunity to be the leader in your market, regardless of where you're at, whether you're in New York, whether you're in Miami, San Francisco, Dallas, any other city that you can think of, whether large or small, you have the ability to rank #1 right now, no exceptions. Again, 0 exceptions with that. Right now is the time to stake your claim and go after that gold rush right now that's happening on YouTube. So again, 1 per week, 2 one per week minimum, and then 2 per week is gonna get you ahead of the pack. Absolutely, get on YouTube. It's a phenomenal marketing tool. It's a phenomenal marketing platform altogether. It's changed my life and my business for the better, so I can't wait to see what happens with yours. All right, so now that you have the perfect YouTube strategy for you real estate agents, it's time to get back to business. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.